What's up, guys? Silver Game of Thrones. So I have another package, it's all came almost the same time, like 2-3 weeks deliveries, I bought it before crash, and I just check. Everything what I bought is out of stock, so good deal. It doesn't matter how much you pay, because tomorrow you need to pay more, right? You pay today $10, tomorrow $20. This is the life of depression, or what we have now. Market crash, economy is crashing, So what I want to talk today, I always try to talk to you guys. I know some of you appreciate this. So I went to some park today with my family. Today is the weekend. Now it's Saturday. I love Saturdays. Let me take the paper out. And I'm back. So I went to some park, with my family, and I catch myself on something which, like, I was never more happy than last week. I don't know, guys. Like, I'm talking to my family. I see my kids. I see my wife. There is no rush. There is no run. Everything okay. Like, I was never happy more than you. Think about our life, what is our life, I need tomorrow morning, I need to grab some breakfast, and I need to run to work 1 hour. I need to fill my tank, after work, before work, because I need to pay for gas, and I come back home, and then I go, my kids need some lessons, I need to pay for this lesson, and again I need to go work, to make money to pay for this lesson, for tank of gas. We are like a slaves, we just wake up, make some money, spend some money on some garbage, and go back. Really last week, when everyone at home and there is no rush, and you just enjoy your life with kids, with family, what can be more happiness? I don't know. It's kind of strange, right? Think about this. Maybe, university give us this time to reset, maybe every one of us needs this reset, right? Anyway, so come back to business. So what do we have? Okay, let's do one by one. So these two are two bars. What a beautiful bars. I'm huge collector of these bars. This is APMEX bars. This is one is year of the peak 2019 and year of the red 2020. What a beautiful bars. I do collect these bars. I have them all over. I have probably 1,000 ounces of these bars. So let me take these bars and show you one by one. So this all APMEX series. It's all APMEX. Oh, 2019, I do have year of the peak. I didn't see it, so I bought 2 of them. Okay, cool. One will be for sale. I didn't even see. Sometimes I mess up. So I have 2 of them, right? So this is what I bought. I bought 2020, year of the pig. Very nice, very cool looking. Look on this mouse. She's kind of half turned, right? Very nice. This is the year of the pig. 2016, year of the dog, 2018, year of the rooster, 2017. Oops, this capsule is not perfect capsule. And the year of the monkey, right? Year of the monkey, 2016. Backside is also cool. Year of the monkey. So let's go next. Year of the ram, 2015. Year of the Horse, 2014. Year of the Snake, 2013. What a beautiful snake. And it's APMEX, guys. It's APMEX, you know. It's very collectible bars. And Year of the Dragon, 2012. So I collect them all. I have, I don't know, 10 of them already. So I'm very happy with this purchase. Okay, coming back. So I have double pigs, 2 pigs now, okay? I have my capsule, so I'm going to put them in capsule again. It was a very nice deal, and it's gone. It's gone, you know. Whatever you have, it's gone. I have feelings that soon, you know, all physical. If we go this direction, you know, RMC is closed, you know, US Mint is closed. Yeah, it will be no physical silver, so doesn't matter what the price will be. Everything will be sucked up. They will take everything out. Okay, next. Next, I have this one, Great Britain. Voila. 2 ounce Great Britain. Everyone likes this Great Britain, right? So, yeah, 2 ounce. Let's see if there is no milk spot. Looks okay to me. Yeah. No milk spot. Yeah. This is 2020. White Horse. White Horse 2020. Yeah, I also pick up. I do collect them all. This is my 2 ounces. Sharing with you collection. Premium collection. So these are 2 ounce. Yeah, these are all 2 ounce coins. You see I have special capsule with a black gasket. It's also... Oh, I think I have this White Horse. No, this is not White Horses. Usually they have 2, 3, it's a mess up, you know. They have 2, 3 collections. No, this is Year of the Horse. And this is fine silver, what they say? White Lion. Oh, it's White Lion. Yes. White Lion, yeah, and I have it. Life of Beaufort. Yale of Beaufort. Yeah, okay, not going to read them all, but I have all of this collection from day one. They are all beautiful. They're all beautiful. I love this 2 ounce coins, and if you guys collect them, I suggest, you know, just think about them, right? I don't know if they will be available. Some of them going up to $100, so, you know, I think they started in 2017 and they produce 3 coins every year. So yeah, I will add one more here. Okay, so next one is Silverback. Yes, Silverback, Republic of Congo. You know, I didn't know that there is a proof, like there is a proof and BU. I do collect them series. And by the way, recently I bought a lot of these coins, you know, for flipping from APMEX and GM Bullion. So I will double check what I have. But I didn't know. Oh wow, it's so beautiful, right? The back side is this is what I like. Yeah, 5,000 franc. That's a beautiful coin. Congo. Republic de Congo. Congo Silverback Gorilla. Huh. That's interesting, right? You look on this, you think it's a milk spot, right? But it's not. It's how they build this coin. Yeah, so I have all these coins. Silver, I don't even know. Yeah. Yes, this is my coins. Yeah, this is all of them, you see. Yeah. Beautiful collection. It's one of my best collection, and they are not hard to find because there is a mintage sheet like 75,000. So you see them all. Mintage is like 25,000. This is number 6. Yeah, they have all these gorillas. I'm not sure which is BU, which is not BU. You know, maybe Maya are also you know, silver, you know, proof like. I need to double check. It's just because when I start to look, oh, it's proof like, so probably there are some BU in my collection. I need to check. It's very hard to identify. So this will be number 6. Okay. So very happy about this. Will fulfill my collection. You know, always look on silver as a collection. Always look like 5, 6, 7 years, you know, up front. Maybe, you know, even minimum couple of years, what will happen. And the last, Australia Silver Swan. This is the only one which APMEX still have for sale, because the price is $27 or $29, whatever. So this one still for sale. This is number 4. This is 4 release Silver Swan. Silver Swan. Swan. Australia Silver Swan. $1. So I do have all these ones. Yeah, this is my Australia collection. Yes, and I have all these ones. Yeah, look on them. You know, I have a video on them. If you want to see all of them, you can look on my videos. So I have had only one, and I pick up 2 more, and I think all 3 cost me like maybe 120, 130. They're going like 300 on eBay, and this is number 4. So we have 4 coins in this collection. Yeah, they are one of the best collection you can find. You know, I believe this one very quality coins. You know, and very collectible. And who is making them? I forget which mint is doing this. Mint. Yeah, I need to find out. Purse mint. It's a purse mint. Yeah. Okay, guys. So this is what I wanted to share with you. Okay. Enjoy my show and think about this. Think what I said. You know, like. Maybe this is not a bad time, you know, to be with your family, to be with your kids, you know, and just enjoy and just reset your brain, you know. Think about your future, you know, what it will be, how it will be. Like, you know, you sit at home, you have food, you have everything, right? Even toilet paper you have, you know. Everyone stocks this toilet paper like no tomorrow. So you have everything. Maybe it's time to enjoy. Who knows, maybe will be tomorrow. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Silver Game of Thrones is out.